Welcome everyone. Today we're at a recently purchased property in Anaheim. Current ownership has a couple of units they're renovating right now, so I'm going to be a little sensitive of the workers, so I won't say much in there, but I want to show you around. So obviously this one is under construction. The next one I'm going to show you is almost complete and should look a lot nicer. So as you can see in this unit, they're a couple steps away from being complete. They just need some paint and texture. The drywall's all patched, and you can see in the bathroom here that they're ready for the rest of the tile. So when the current ownership bought this property, the laundry room was not functioning, so they're in the process of replacing the machines and getting new machines installed that they own and collect the quarters on. Current ownership is also going to do some exterior renovations. They plan to re-asphalt 2 inches all the way along the backside here, and then all the way along the parking lot here, and restripe as well. So as you can tell, this is a textbook value add deal with a lot of upside. Thank you for watching this video, and please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.